Yes, guys. So I'm going to add the flour. This is unbleached flour, wheat flour. As you can see, I'm using a big spoon, but this is 2. That's 1, 2, 3. 4, and that is around 2 small glass of flour. So 2 cup of flour. That's around 2 cup of flour. I need to work on my measurement. So add all your dry ingredients to this bowl. Okay. Where is my tool? So a pinch of nutmeg. Is this thing recording? Yes, it is. Where is my cinnamon? Cinnamon. Get your salt. So make sure you add all the dry ingredients to that one. So I have my cinnamon. Trying to get out the cinnamon. I think it's almost finished. It's not coming out. Okay. Cinnamon, I don't really need a lot. So add your cinnamon, salt, you can see the measurement on here. Salt. This is Himalayan pink salt, just to boost the flavor. You don't need much, but the salt will give it a nice flavor. Combined with the sweet as well. You know, sweet and salt together is lovely. And oh, most important one again is baking soda. I am making this banana bread with no yeast. See, I have no yeast. Apparently they're saying there's no more yeast. There's no yeast in the store. And I am using okay, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So yeah, this is something I know I will enjoy having, even though I'm not quite sure about the measurement, but I just wanted to try it out. I'm sure it will. I'm sure this will turn out fine. This banana bread. So I've got all my dry ingredients in here. Am I missing anything else? I put my nutmeg, cinnamon, salt, baking soda. Okay. So I've got all the dry ingredients in the big bowl. In this big bowl. Okay, my salt. Yeah, I forgot. This is not the fine salt, so I might have to just end up throwing it in. Or maybe I could get the small pieces. You could see this is the Himalayan pink salt. Okay. So I'm gonna pour it in because I'm not wasting my salt. Yeah. I don't know why I feel so nervous. I feel nervous making this. Okay. Maybe because I don't bake much. Maybe that's why I'm feeling like that. And then my baby's sleeping. So it's like I'm trying to get it out of the way. I don't like rushing though. So now, let me get my spoon. I'm thinking, do I have everything? And at this time, what you could do as well is grease your baking tray. Grease it. You could use butter if you got a spray, and you grease it and put it in the oven. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to use some coconut oil, just a little bit, not much. Got the brush, so I am going to improvise. Okay, so this is the kitchen paper towel. Make the clean piece, so just fold it and spread it. It's gonna suck it up a bit, but if you notice, I did put enough oil in there to spread it, so you don't need to press down as if you're wiping. Just lightly spread the oil. Don't know if you could see that. So put enough where it's, you know, it's, you could use this paper. I mean, I wouldn't really, I'm confused today, sorry, because I'm rushing. I don't like to rush. And I'm a little bit nervous too, because I think this is my first time going to BakE, recording what I do. So I just use the paper towel. I need to get, you could use the brush, and then they have this spray. You could spray it like it's a can with oil in it or butter, and you could spray it. So I haven't got any of that, and as I said, I haven't got any yeast, so I'm using what I have. Also, if you have paper, baking paper, you could also use that as well to help, you know, spread the oil or the butter around it. So put this in the oven before you finish making the mixture. Okay, so put it in the oven. So if you think in the napkin, it will suck it up a bit. It will, you know, oh my God, it will, yeah, that's the term. Yeah, it will take some of the oil. It will suck up a little bit. However, just put enough in there where you could spread it around. Okay. Okay, where am I? Ugh, just the videos of this also. Okay, so get your spoon. So I've got my dry ingredients. Now I'm going to add the banana and my egg to it. Is this still recording? One more thing I forgot to add to my eggs. I wanted to add some milk to it. This is optional, you don't have to, but I'm going to add a bit of milk. So I'm going to add I'm adding some coconut milk. 2 regular tablespoons of coconut milk in there. Okay, is it? Yep. Okay, and now I need to combine all the ingredients together. All right. Honestly, I feel so nervous making this. Okay. So I'm going to add in the banana. Is it the banana first or the egg thing? My God, I'm nervous. I'm just gonna add this in first. So do you mix? You know what? Honest to God, I don't even remember. I don't even know. I think I needed to mix that in. But you know what? So you fold it in. Fold it in, honestly. Fold it in. I think I went wrong somewhere. But I am not giving up. So you fold in it. Fold. They said to fold it in. fold, fold, fold. Okay, fold. Keep folding. Keep folding the mixture. Okay, guys. I'm still here folding. Just keep folding it. And come make sure everything is in. So keep folding it. Fold it, fold it. Guys, let me know where I went wrong, because I know I went wrong somewhere. But in times like this, can I throw away my stuff? I don't think so. I think maybe I was meant to add dry stuff to the wet stuff, or I don't remember. Or maybe I did it right. Let me know in the comment below. I am here making banana bread. I think this is my third or second time. I am not a professional baker. Put your thoughts in the comments. I don't mind. Right now I could smell the ripe banana. There is something about letting the banana go overripe when you're making the banana bread. I could smell the banana. It smells fantastic. Okay, I think this is good. You don't need to do any heavy stirring or anything. Just lightly fold over, fold, keep folding, and combine it together. You could give it a taste as well before you put it in the oven. And this should bake for 45 to an hour. Okay, so now I'm going to add it to the baking tray. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Yes, I'm about to add the mixture to... Oops. Oh yeah, just added some more nutmeg. Okay. So now I'm going to add it to that. No yeast, no baking paper. Just using what I have. And as said before, this is 5, is this 5-inch, 14 centimeter? Okay. At this point as well, if you have raisins, if you have walnut, you could add some walnut to it as well. But what I have is an extra banana. Sorry, I'm all over the place. And what I'm going to do is slice the banana. Hold on, guys. Bear with me. I am nervous. I am going to slice the banana maybe in, maybe in 1 or 2. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So slice it, guys. I'm here. I'm cutting the banana. Oops, I didn't want that to break, but that's fine. Add it to the top like that. Oh, slice it. This is optional now because I haven't got any walnuts. I haven't got any raisin. I was thinking, what could I add? You know, to let it look a bit fancy. Okay. Should I leave it like that or just add this bit to it? Alright, see if we could fix it, eh? Okay, I'm just gonna take that bit out. Let me wash my hands. I'm happy about that part. And last but not least, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on the top, just a little bit. Okay, can you see? I'm zooming in a little bit. Okay, just a little bit of cinnamon. Is it coming out? A little bit of cinnamon, trying to make it look cute, like I'm professional, but I'm not. I'm trying. I could see a little design right here. Should I add there? You know what, leave it as it. Sometimes less is best, right? And now I'm going to put it in the oven. Okay, it's in the oven, guys. Okay, this is it. My banana bread with no yeast. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me show you the top part of it. There you go. There you have it. There you go.